focus on the S-Martelo. This is the traditional name of Capoeira. I like to call this the Riptide kick. There's so many versions of this move off of the ground. This is its own particular version. And this is where I'm lunging forward at my opponent. So I'm going to demonstrate in front of Brittany now. I'm right from my stance. I lean forward. I can put my hand on the ground if I want to, but this isn't needed. The main objective is to get my left arm out as far as possible. This gains distance on my opponent. So as, this is really hard to show in slow motion, as my hand comes out, forward, my left leg is coming through this gap here. And it's chambering, and then that's the kick. This particular move gains distance. I can actually hit my opponent from here. That's what's very deceptive about this. So, lean forward. Okay? And then I just want to go back to my stance. If I miss, Brittany, do you want to back up when I go? If I miss, there's a drop. Lower your level. Left hand is going to come through. You're basically sitting on your thigh. This leg is going to come through, shoot through this gap, and chamber. That's it. That's the motion. Make sense?
Yeah.
One of the reasons I don't like to throw this high, I'm going to throw it high. When I'm here, your opponent just ducks. This is far more effective if I go to the legs or the body. So application of the Riptide kick. So this isn't something I'd recommend for like a street scenario. This is just kind of a fun move. One of my teachers tries this in MMA all the time. It's definitely a cool move, and it's a very surprising move. It gains a lot of distance. Like I said, I don't like to aim for the head on this one. They just duck. It's super simple. Yes, because they can kind of see something's going on. They don't really know what, but they can see something going on. So he's in a good stance. I'm here. I can actually get all the way back here and still connect with my technique. So I duck down, and I want to hit with the end of my toe right underneath his arm. I don't want to use my shin on this. I want to get as much distance as I can from my opponent. So again, so as I duck down, I shoot forward. Notice how I can still keep my distance after this. One more time. Here, duck forward.
Can't touch it.
Yep, pretty far away. It's a safe move.